Ever wondered what makes garlic and turmeric a perfect pair for your health? Combining garlic and turmeric can reduce inflammation by up to 50%. Let's discover the amazing benefits of these two common ingredients. Combined benefits of garlic and turmeric. When combined, garlic and turmeric can significantly boost your immune system, making you more resilient to infections. This is one of the most compelling reasons to consider incorporating these two powerful ingredients into your daily routine. Think about it. By simply adding these common kitchen staples to your meals, you can give your immune system a serious upgrade. One of the ways garlic and turmeric achieve this is by enhancing your body's ability to fight off harmful pathogens. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have antimicrobial properties. This means it can help your body combat bacteria, viruses, and even some fungi. On the other hand, turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When these two compounds come together, they create a robust defense system that helps keep infections at bay. But the benefits don't stop at your immune system. This combination can also enhance digestion and promote gut health, which is crucial for overall well-being. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive juices, which can help break down food more efficiently and improve nutrient absorption. It also has prebiotic properties, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, supporting a healthy microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for everything from digestion to mental health. Turmeric complements garlic's digestive benefits by soothing the digestive tract. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the gut, which is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD. Additionally, curcumin has been found to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Together, garlic and turmeric create a harmonious environment in your gut, supporting better digestion and overall health. Another key benefit of combining garlic and turmeric is their synergistic effect in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, you can lower your risk of developing these conditions. Garlic and turmeric both have strong anti-inflammatory properties, but when used together, their effects are amplified. Garlic's sulfur compounds, such as allicin, work to reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines. These are molecules that signal your immune system to initiate an inflammatory response. Turmeric's curcumin also inhibits inflammatory pathways, reducing the production of several inflammatory markers. This dual action makes the combination of garlic and turmeric particularly effective at keeping inflammation under control. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells, leading to aging and disease. Both garlic and turmeric are rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. When combined, their antioxidant capacity is even greater, providing robust protection against oxidative stress. Top 10 benefits of combining garlic and turmeric. Boosts immune system. When you mix these two, you get a powerful combo that helps your body fight off infections more effectively. Garlic is packed with allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial properties. It can tackle bacteria, viruses, and even some fungi. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Together, they create a robust shield, making you more resilient to common illnesses like colds and flu. So, by adding garlic and turmeric to your meals, you're essentially giving your immune system a big boost. Fights inflammation. Another fantastic benefit of garlic and turmeric is their ability to fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Both garlic and turmeric are natural anti-inflammatories. Garlic's sulfur compounds, including allicin, reduce inflammation by blocking inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that signal your body to initiate an inflammatory response. Turmeric's curcumin also inhibits these inflammatory pathways, reducing the production of inflammatory markers. When you combine these two, their anti-inflammatory effects are even stronger, helping to keep chronic inflammation in check and lower your risk of related diseases. Improves heart health. Garlic and turmeric can play a significant role in improving your cardiovascular health. Garlic is known to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. This is mainly because of its ability to relax blood vessels and reduce oxidative stress. Turmeric contributes by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol in the arteries, which is a major factor in heart disease. The combined effect of these two ingredients helps keep your arteries clear and flexible, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. It's like giving your heart a natural tune-up. Enhances brain function. Turmeric's curcumin is particularly beneficial for brain health because it can cross the blood-brain barrier, which allows it to directly interact with brain cells. It boosts levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a growth hormone that functions in the brain. Low levels of BDNF are linked to brain disorders like depression and Alzheimer's. Garlic also supports brain health by improving blood flow and protecting neurons from damage. Combining these two can help improve memory, reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and keep your brain sharp. Aids digestion. Now let's not forget about digestion. Garlic and turmeric are excellent for your digestive system. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food and improve nutrient absorption. It also has prebiotic properties, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Turmeric helps by soothing the digestive tract and reducing inflammation, which is particularly helpful if you suffer from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease or IBD. Together, they promote a healthy gut environment, improve digestion, and help prevent digestive issues. Detoxifies the body. It's fascinating how garlic and turmeric can work together to cleanse your system. Garlic plays a crucial role in detoxification by helping to remove heavy metals and other toxins from your body. It boosts the level of antioxidant enzymes in your blood and helps protect your organs from damage caused by toxic substances. Turmeric supports this detox process by enhancing liver function, which is essential for filtering out toxins. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, stimulates the production of bile, which aids in the digestion and expulsion of harmful substances. Together, garlic and turmeric create a powerful detoxifying duo that helps keep your body clean and functioning optimally. Manages arthritis and joint pain. If you're dealing with arthritis or joint pain, garlic and turmeric can be incredibly beneficial. Both have strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the inflammation and pain associated with arthritis. Garlic contains diallyl disulfide, an anti-inflammatory compound that limits the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines. This can help decrease the swelling and pain in your joints. Turmeric's curcumin also plays a significant role in reducing inflammation and has been shown to be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. When you combine garlic and turmeric, you get a natural remedy that can help manage arthritis symptoms and improve joint mobility, making daily activities more comfortable. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic and turmeric are also great for your cardiovascular health, particularly when it comes to lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke, and managing it is crucial for long-term health. Garlic has been shown to help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can lead to lower blood pressure. It contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for this blood pressure lowering effect. Turmeric complements garlic's benefits by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, which helps regulate blood pressure. By incorporating both garlic and turmeric into your diet, you can naturally support healthy blood pressure levels and reduce your risk of cardiovascular issues. Reduces risk of brain diseases. Another impressive benefit of combining garlic and turmeric is their ability to reduce the risk of brain diseases. Turmeric's curcumin has been found to cross the blood-brain barrier and has neuroprotective properties. It helps in the clearance of amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin also reduces inflammation and oxidative damage in the brain, which are key factors in neurodegenerative diseases. Garlic supports brain health by enhancing blood circulation and protecting neurons from damage. The combined effect of garlic and turmeric can help improve cognitive function, protect against age-related brain decline, and reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Supports overall well-being. Incorporating garlic and turmeric into your diet can support your overall well-being in numerous ways. They both have potent antioxidant properties that protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Garlic boosts your immune system, helping you fight off infections more effectively. Turmeric enhances mood and can help reduce symptoms of depression by increasing the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Together, these ingredients can improve your energy levels, enhance your mood, and promote longevity. By adding garlic and turmeric to your meals, you're taking a simple but powerful step towards better health and well-being. To recap, combining garlic and turmeric can provide a multitude of health benefits, from boosting your immune system and fighting inflammation to improving heart and brain health. So, why not give it a try? Start incorporating garlic and turmeric into your diet today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching.